What's up guys, welcome to the vlog, welcome back to another awesome video. I'm on class leader Waratah A01 and I'll do a walkthrough of the train. I know I've done an A38 before, exactly the same type of train, but I did say I'm filming a walkthrough on every train on platform 4 that comes off the Northern Line, so let's go. D6301, car 1, facing towards Hornsby Yard. The next carriage is N5301, followed by N5501. The NIF is due at 11:07. The time now is 10:55. This train that I'm on right now, A1, will depart in 6 minutes. N5501. T6501. Oh, I've caught up with the cleaning team. Hang on a sec. Skipping T6601. Around 5401.
When you open the gate,
And
a mop inside.
D6401. Had to skip a couple of cars.